Hello, and welcome to another update on Solana. The Solana chart continues to be in this correction. I see no reason to confirm a price low in place at this point. People got really bullish a couple of days ago because Solana started to move a little bit, but again, it just looked like a corrective rally. Okay, so that's why I said similar to the Bitcoin chart. It's either a B wave in yellow in my view or the B wave in blue in both cases, however, corrective in nature. So like a messy rally. We're going to take a look at that in a minute. Bigger picture, obviously unchanged. We had this 5-wave move up into the May high, and then a 3-wave move down seems to be unfolding right now like a corrective pullback, labeled as a WXY structure. And then the Y wave would be again an A, B, C. Now, don't get me wrong, there are many other scenarios that could apply. I could even say, hey, maybe this was wave W, X, Y, and this is A, B, C, and then this is somehow an 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this doesn't align that well. The other one is better for various reasons. I don't want to get into this too much. But the idea would be that from this X wave high, which is part of the wave 2 correction, which is a pullback in an overall uptrend, we had an A wave, we had a B wave, and a C wave. So this C wave could have started. That was the main scenario. That's why I tracked resistance here. This is why I had the resistance area on the chart with resistance between 157.22 and 161.97, right? And this resistance area is currently holding. It was respected, and all I want to see next now is a break below the Thursday low and the Saturday low for further confirmation. We're moving down into the blue box, which we talked about over the last few days as a target area for wave C of Y of 2, and is between $129 and $109.47. It would take a break above the $162 level. I'm going to zoom in a bit to suggest that something more directly bullish is playing out. I see no evidence for it. Yesterday, I shared a micro support area, first micro support, which the price reacted to, but again, we need a break above resistance first to really have more confidence in the blue count. So idea at the moment would be that we are potentially moving up a little bit here in the blue count, but blue is question mark, so it's not necessarily preferred. Yellow count seems to make sense. So what we're tracking here is A wave down, B wave up, a corrective rally into resistance. And now we could have started the C wave down. 1, 2, maybe we're starting a third now, 4, 5. And that can send us to 129. The next support, though, is at 132.71. So would be the next Fibonacci support level to watch. There is likely going to be some structural support in the region of the Saturday low and the Thursday low in the region here around $141 to $142. That should be strong support because, look, if we zoom out a little bit, you see that we had swing low here, several times, around early May, end of April, then here, early June, then here, mid-June. So this is like not only structural support there, but also in addition to the 38.2 retracement in that area around $143. So that's going to be a tough one to break before we then can go lower. I know people don't want it to go lower. Some do, depending on if you want to get positioned or not. But I can tell you there is nothing impulsive about the move up. It looks like a copy of this rally after the 5th of June low, which is smaller. So don't see any direct bullish breakout yet. So that is an update on Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in additional updates, make sure you follow us on X. The link is in the description. There are additional updates, setups, mindset stuff. You can discuss, ask questions, and much more. The link is in the description. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.